Welcome to the Touch CR Zone. Dacia Jogger first launched in 2021 as a multi-activity vehicle (MAV) that bridges the gap between a compact MPV, estate, and crossover. Built on Dacia's cost-conscious CMF-B LS platform, it offers seating flexibility, decent practicality, and a no-frills ethos. The 2026 model arrives with a mid-cycle refresh. While its fundamental identity remains, Dacia has injected sharper styling cues, technology upgrades, and subtle tweaks to keep it competitive. Exterior and styling updates. Spy photos show a revamped front end, new headlight signature, modified grille pattern with cubic motifs, updated fog lights, and added air curtains for improved aerodynamics. The side profile and overall silhouette remain largely unchanged, preserving Jogger's familiar shape and proportions. At the rear, revised taillights and refreshed badging give it a more modern look. These changes are evolutionary rather than radical. Dacia aims to refine, not reinvent. Interior and tech enhancements. Inside, spy shots suggest a larger infotainment screen and the addition of a digital instrument cluster, replacing the older analog/dial layouts. The steering wheel appears borrowed from Dacia's SUV siblings, Duster, Bigster, lending a more contemporary feel. Expect better ergonomics, improved materials, and possibly new storage solutions, all aimed at elevating the Jogger's cabin comfort. These are inferred, but consistent with what spy images suggest. While details remain under wraps, the interior refresh promises to bring the Jogger closer to rivals that emphasize digital connectivity and comfort. Powertrain and performance. In its current form, the Jogger is offered with petrol engines, e.g. 1.0L TCE variants, and a 1.6L hybrid setup. For 2026, Dacia may borrow the 1.2L turbo mild hybrid engine seen in the Duster/Bigster range. However, the Jogger is not likely to adopt all-wheel drive despite the styling cues, as AWD is reserved for other Dacia models. Efficiency gains are expected from improved aerodynamics, air curtains, minor calibration tweaks, and weight optimizations. Drivers may notice a slightly smoother, quieter ride thanks to these iterative upgrades, especially in highway cruising scenarios. Space, modularity, and practicality. One of Jogger's strongest selling points is its versatility. It offers 2 to 7 seats, depending on configuration, enabling either massive cargo space or full passenger setups. With all rear seats folded, cargo capacity can reach up to 2,085 liters, making it practical for large loads or gear hauls. The 2026 refresh doesn't appear to alter this core usability, reinforcing that Dacia still believes in pragmatic flexibility over gimmicks. In addition, accessories like the In-Nature Sleep Pack let owners convert part of the rear space into a bed for camping, a clever add-on for adventure-minded users. Safety and driver assistance. The Jogger already includes more than 15 safety and driver assist systems in its lineup. The updated model is expected to get refined systems, better sensors, updated firmware, to keep up with regulatory demands. Again, inferred from the styling and interior upgrades, elements like lane keeping assist, advanced emergency braking, including pedestrian/cyclist detection, and perhaps adaptive cruise control will likely remain or improve. Dacia's aim is to retain safety benchmarks while not overcomplicating the driving experience. Pricing and market position. The 2026 Jogger's facelift will likely bring a price increase, especially as Dacia adds more standard equipment and tech features. In Germany, current prices for the Jogger start around €17,990 for the base 5-seat version, rising for higher trims and seating options of the higher Extreme or Extreme Plus trims, with full 7-seat capability, command a premium.